Hello everyone. Today we have Alpana with us. She had 10 months career gap and she secured 30% of salary hike after learning AI through B10X. So let's hear her success story from herself. Hi Alpana.
Hi, Ayushi.
Can you tell us about your success story? Like how you started everything?
I am Alpana. I am a Japanese language professional with over 11 years of experience, and I started my career from Oracle India Private Limited as Japan Order Management Analyst. And I have worked in multiple company. Everything was going so smooth. And like last year, what happened when I was working with Sony? Suddenly, due to layoff, I got like career break in my life, and that was my turning point to enhance my skill, because earlier my primary skill was only Japanese language, and that was not enough, it believe, because I was working as a PMO role, that was Japanese coordinator, you can say. So there you have to do multiple things as a in a project, like creating PowerPoint, Excel, all those things. So there I found myself like lack of some practical knowledge, and I wanted to enhance those. So that's the reason I started learning AI through B10X.
So why did you choose AI?
AI I choose because like AI is transforming in every industry, and it is replacing the employee as well by doing excellent job. So I just wanted to learn AI so that my future career will get secured. So that's the reason, because if you think about every industry, you can see like all the work is done by AI. So if I learn any other task, that again will be replaced by AI, right? So that's the reason I chose AI, so that AI can't replace me. Like I can make agent, AI agent, like employee, so that I can you take advantage of that AI skills.
So how did you hear about the B10X 9 rupees workshop?
Actually, I am like very fond of scrolling reels on Instagram. So by doing that, I found like B10X was the ad was coming. So as that time I already lost my job, so I was finding some new skills, and then I came up across the B10X ad. So I thought to take a chance, like how it works, because I earlier I just started knowing about because AI was like it came before only, but we came to know about when I lost my job that AI came into the picture. After knowing about AI, I was just checking like how it works, and accordingly you know that no, if you search any topic, the things come started coming related to that only, right? So when I checked AI, so all the courses related to AI was populating on social media, Instagram, everywhere. So I thought to take a chance to learn AI through B10X, and I once I enrolled with 9 rupees AI tools workshop, and then I attended. So I found that so helpful that it can change my career and my future. So and new things we learn, like there are so many AI tools was there that we were not aware about before, about that before, because only AI, chat GPT, only things we were knowing about. So once I explored all the things, I got interest in that. It was so interesting, so I thought to get the enrollment, and I started learning AI through B10X.
So, what was your first impression when you saw that 9 rupees AI tool workshop?
Yeah, so 9 rupees were not costly. So I thought to take like that course, and I just want, because everywhere no, it was something like that. So I thought I found this very cheap. So I started getting the courses, and then I joined one session, and I thought to take the next enrollment in that.
So, how was your learning experience?
Learning experience was so good, because every session it was like a new topic, and it was not like boring. So whatever theory they were giving there, they were doing the practical as well in front of themselves only, so that whatever mistake we are doing, they can correct that. Okay, so that was really helpful. And if each point, like I'm not like, my background is not technical, so any for anyone it is very easy to learn AI, because only thing like you know the procedure, how it works, right? The prompt, everything. Apart from that, I don't think like there are so many coding because and I created one this one app also from this make.com. So it was really helpful. It was related to the uh, travel related thing, like how you can manage your expenses through travel. So that one, and also I made one agent plus also voice like customer service, because in 10 months career gap I was doing my personal business also. So it helped me to enhance my business there also, because in my business I wanted to create one receptionist on behalf of me, so that in my behalf she can answer their customers question. So yeah, for that through Vapi I created one agent as well, and it was really working so good.
So, did you get any assignments or projects there?
Yeah, we were getting every time new assignment, and we were like completing those assignment. And also it was really helpful because through assignment we were able to do the practice whatever we are learning in the each session.
So, how are you using AI in your current job?
Creating PPT, PowerPoint, BI, all those things, it is really helpful. But when I was searching for a job, that time also it was helpful, because earlier like normal things we were doing in LinkedIn, right? Normal procedure. But once I started learning AI, then I found like some optimization we can do in LinkedIn, and from that only it catch every recruitment team the attention, right? So I started doing the optimization of my LinkedIn, then I started creating my resume, ATS friendly resume. Earlier I was not aware about what is ATS friendly resume, but whatever we had experienced, the same we were copy pasting in our resume. But once we came to know like ATS friendly resume and how recruitment team using that ATS resume, so that people can get the can get the opportunity for any job position. So once I started creating ATS friendly resume, and when I uploaded in Naukri or another other uh, job portals, yeah, so I got so many calls, and it was like whatever their requirement, it was matching with my resume. I was getting so good job there. And it's for interview preparation also I used AI, like how I can do the interview. Like earlier I was very nervous in front of interviewer, so that I was not even I know the things I was forgetting. But once I started doing the practice with AI, for interview, I got the confidence and I started doing so. And yeah, this is the, you can see my current thing, like I got a job with a good hike. Yeah.
So, how did you feel after getting 30% salary hike?
I was so happy when I got when I got the call for the I got selected for the job. And I would like to say thanks to B10X, through which I tried I got this job, because if I could not learn AI, that can't help me to get the job as well, because all the things from the beginning I did through AI. It was like resume building, LinkedIn optimizations, and interview cracking. So all these things, AI helped me a lot. Yeah, I'm so grateful to B10X that I got this job.
So, was the program worth your time and money?
Exactly, more than that.
So, what would you say to someone with a career gap?
If anyone is just struggling like for finding job, they must upskill themselves, because if you think like scrolling so many courses will not going to help you, the things you have to learn the theory and also do the practice, then only you can like enhance your skills. So I will recommend everyone to enroll with B10X and get the job whatever they are expecting for their career.
So, how would you like to conclude your Beat and X journey and your story?
Okay, so as I already told, I have 11 years of experience, and everything was going so smooth. Like as I was like working as Japanese coordinator, and company to company, it was my role was same, but the things like technical things was getting changed. Like from CAD to SAP, so many things came in so far. So when like everything was going smooth in my career, like the turning point was last year when I due to lack of like technical knowledge, I lost my job. And in that period of time, like I was feeling so many things, like there are all responsibilities on me, and I had EMIs, all those things, and I didn't have job. So I was so worried, like how I can get the job, because everywhere it was like some new skills they were looking. And for me, I had only Japanese language, so I thought to enhance my skill in terms of like for the better future. And that time I was not aware like what skill we should learn. But when I search in social media, then like in Google, so I found like AI is transforming in every industry. So I thought to learn AI, because whatever new things I will learn, that again replaced by AI. So why not we should learn AI? So related to AI, again I started searching courses. So when B10X had like workshop pop out, so I thought to take that course, because the cost was also, it is very cheap, it was only 9 rupees. So I thought to try once. So when I enrolled with that workshop and then attended first class, so I was feeling so confident that yeah, with this with the help of AI, I can in future I can secure a job as well. So I started learning, and I was, my belief is always like, until you try, you will not get the things. I follow that principle every time. So I thought to try. It will work or not, but later we can think. But yeah, I had to try. So I started, and I enrolled with this AI course. And when I did every session, I was learning new things. And I knew, I started learning like how you can build AI agent, AI employee, how AI can do the task on behalf of you. So those things when I started learning, it was really helpful. And in Excel point of view or like Power point of view, I was not having knowledge, simple knowledge I was having, everyone can have. So once I started learning Power BI with AI. So it was really so interesting as well, and also it was like helpful do your task so fast. I prepared the like AI helped me to prepare the interview, optimize the LinkedIn, and also build the ATS-friendly resume. So it start from there only, and gradually I was so confident to give the interview as well, because earlier I was so nervous to for any interview. But now I can do any interview, because I have done, I got the technique like how you can crack the interview. So really B10X helped me a lot to get my this dream job, because after 10-month career I was not expecting the 30% hike. And also like I was thinking it is already 10 months now, there is no future, I will not get the job. But when I came to know that I got selected with KPMG, I am bilingual coordinator at KPMG, and my role is so good. And even I am using AI in my work, and it is really helpful. So all thanks to B10X, because in every session they were not doing the theory, they are doing the practical things, so that you can learn so easily, and you can make so many apps. You can make your own agent, own AI employee, and you can also make one this one receptionist, like using your voice. So all AI avatar, everything. So you my suggestion to all that, until you will not try, you will not get the things. So once for any experience you have to try once, right? So I recommend B10X AI course to everyone, that they can enroll themselves and get their dream job.
So, this is the Alpana story. If you want to be the next person sitting here and sharing your success story, then enroll into our 9 rupees AI tool workshop at B10X.